steel slag ball press, has many advantages, and is loved by the majority of users. Let's understand the 6 advantages of steel slag ball press. A steel slag ball press material extrusion effect is good. High pelleting rate. High pelleting strength. The 2-roller surface is made of synthetic manganese steel, which has good use effect, long life and wide selection range of roll diameter. Third, the 2-shaft reducer structure is adopted to improve the precision of the roller, and the gear adopts hard tooth surface gear to improve the performance and life of the reducer. 4. Hydraulic standing adjustable pressure and overpressure protection function. The 5 steel slag ball press occupies less space than the prior art. The motor power loss is small, the power is high, the maintenance is less, the speed value can be adjusted, and the ball formation rate is improved. The steel slag powder in the dust collector bin is transported by pipeline to the equipment storage bin. Closed pipeline transportation process will not cause dust pollution.